Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Eat with Tammy. Today we're having salad and fish. So this is like a keto diet. You can see it. This is my brown stew Jamaican fish. It's Jamaican style with my salad, with my tortilla on the side. This is my dressing of choice, Sam's Choice, cilantro lime, sweet cilantro lime. See it? Love it. It has a bit of a kick to it. You see the habanero on the top of it with the lime. So good. And garlic. So if you're into that, it's good dressing for you to have. So guys, what's up? I can't show you. This is a tail. As a Jamaican, I hardly do fillet. I do a whole fish. I normally do the fish head and or a fish tail, but today I'm starting off with a tail. So eventually you're going to get the fish head, but now it's just the tail. So this is a tail. It's brown stew. It's brown because I fried it and then I cook it down. I flour it with a little bit of corn, the fish fry batter, and flour, and then I cook it down. So that's why it's called brown stew fish. You fry it, brown it, and then you stew it down. And my salad, it looks yummy. So let me give you a bite of my salad first. We're all getting healthy together. Here, take a bite. The salad just is already in it. I'll give you a piece of the fish. Your bone in it. Remember, I took a fish tail. See, the bones in it. Here's a piece of the fish. Take a bite. It's very good. In my salad is lettuce, Spanish, the sweet onions, which is this one, sweet peppers, the sweet red peppers, and tomato with the tricolor tortilla chips. This is keto friendly. Everything here can use for keto. So good, guys. I'll give you a bigger piece of the fish. Fish, and take out the bone. Take a bite. So yummy. How you guys doing today? Me? I'm okay. Not too bad. Trying to get this healthy lifestyle going and still doing mukbang. You know it's going to be a challenge, but I'm up for a challenge. So good. So good, guys. Like another bite. Remember I said the salad dressing has a bit of a kick to it. Like for me right now, it's a little bit too hot, but I love it. Salad. Fish, brown stew fish. On a serious note, how many of you guys are really scared of a fish head? Seriously, I would love to know. And what are you scared about? Is it the eyes looking back at you? Technically, by the time you cook it, the eyes don't even look at you. It's already covered. I love fish head. It's my favorite part of the fish. Favorite. But I'm not ready to scare you guys yet. And guys, what's going on? Any plans for Valentine's Day coming up? Any plans at all? I have nothing going on. It's going to be a low-key day for me. I might get my kids some stuff. But besides from that, a very low-key day. So good. So guys, I want to try, just for fun and giggles, I know I'm going to scream, the Flaming Hot Doritos. I know I'm going to pay for it in the end, but I'm going to try it. And if you see me acting a fool, don't be surprised. So guys, half of the fish. See it? Now flip it over for the other half. You want another bite? I'll take out the bones for you. By the way, this is a porgy. I couldn't get any snapper at my local fish market, so this is a porgy. But I'm gonna go get me some snapper soon. So good, y'all. Look, it has a bone in it, so I'm gonna show you. Oh, I took it out. See the bone and a piece of the tail? This is what you do. And you put this part in your mouth like this. You just have to hold tail. And that's how you eat a proper fish with bone in it. More bone. But yeah, guys, this is my regular to do. I can't wait to eat a fish head in front of you. More bone. Sorry, guys. Love it. Oh. Oh, God. Except for the fish. I have more fish. Want another bite? Before I take the last bite? Take a bite. So good. So good. I love fish. Love it. Mm. 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 And just like that, guys, it's all done. All done. Thank you guys for eating with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. I had to drink that real quick because the cilantro salad dressing is burning me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. To all my new subscribers, I appreciate you. To my old subscribers, big up yourself. You are the best. Anyway, have a good day, guys. See you later. Bye.